Okay, so this is water that we picked up from the mountain, close to the
before Sedona, the river.
After coming back from the Grand Canyon, going down into Sedona. So we're still a little high.
Yes.
And so here is our ORP meter. It's right now in vinegar. So what we will do is we'll go ahead and test the antioxidants through microvoltage meter. So here we go. We're gonna first jump the meter. Okay, with this meter we should get a pretty acidic reading, which yes, it keeps going up. This water is not fresh. It's been here for about a week. It's the 2.5. It acts like a disinfectant, but I think we've shocked it pretty good. So now we're gonna go ahead and see what the mountain water reads. So it should be going down. Now keep in mind the water's been in this container for about a week. Okay, so we got some water from the machine, and now let's see what happens to it. We should get negative. Yep, that's right. We're getting negative numbers. Sometimes we get negative, 700, 800. This is pretty good considering that a glass or about this much, 8 ounces of carrot juice is about negative 50 to negative 70 antioxidants. So we can see here that it's almost 10 times more antioxidants in just this little 8-ounce glass. So that's the test. One thing we have to test is the color. My guess is it's gonna be orange, and whereas the other one is gonna be bluish or purple. So okay, it's pretty good. Yeah, it has the minerals. Okay, so what is that? This one. So turn it a little more blue. That's all it changed. Okay, so now we're gonna test the chlorine. I doubt that there's chlorine in the mountain water. Animals love to drink it, so no, it's pretty clean. Straight from nature before it got fixed by city procedures. So there you go. Okay, so now we're gonna, of course, test the tap water. My guess is gonna be, since the water hasn't run for a while, since it's just, there won't be any chlorine probably, but if there is, then we'll have to let it run longer, because sometimes the water that remains in the pipes, the chlorine kind of disappears after a while. Yeah. So boop, boop. That is 3 drops. Yeah. Normally it turns like orange or yellow, but I don't see that it turned. So we're gonna let the water run for a bit longer and see what happens. Now we'll see what happens. What do we get? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it turns yellow.
Ah,
You should go from up.
my guess was right. So just because you didn't get a reading at the first draw of the water means that you don't have chlorine. It gets darker and darker. So this at the pool, if it reads, this is highly toxic. So we recommend, if you're taking a shower, that you put a carbon filter in the head of your shower, especially if you're taking a hot shower, being that your pores open and the first thing that it hits, like women and men too, is the chest area, and therefore breast cancer.
In the head.
Yeah, well, in the head too. Yeah.
Brain cancer.
Brain cancer.
And it's orange.
And then you get the early whites, the early gray hairs. It's totally unnecessary. So yeah, just watch out for yourself. Look out.
I guess it's enough. I can change it.
Yeah, it is not Kool-Aid, so just drip it. Now we're gonna test the pH of the tap water. Okay. Okay, first, I guess let's test the
oxidation.
Yeah, the RP first. So,
right.
Can you help me here?
Of course.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. We have a positive reading. What? So anyway, we got a reading of 545. There you go, steady 544, 544. There's where we are.
Which
Positive.
is pretty high.
Oxidant is an oxidant. But I think that we will get a blue color because the municipality uses chemicals like lye to make the water alkaline so that it won't rust the pipes that it goes through before it gets to the general public. So we're gonna use our pH drops, and so of course we get a kind of a similar reading to the mountain water. Obviously we know it was clean.
No, the mountain water was more blue.
Oh whoa, yeah. This is a funny color. We don't know what it. Let's put more.
No.
Well, let's just, it's kind of like a green, funny.
Definitely green.
Yeah, green. It's a bit on the alkaline side, but then it's just turning colors. The green, but it's like you said, it was kind of orange. It's really strange. Yeah, you're right. It kind of looks like a yellow. Anyway, that's all.